Okay, all of you. Is it audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So this is already uploaded. Okay, you can download and you can. I have solved these two problems. Well, the first and second problem I have solved. Okay. So one more problem is there. That is also flywheel rotating. Huh? So वो problem देके आप solve करिए. Okay. So it's given already. You can go through. Okay, you can solve that problem. So now I will go on to the what we have started in the last class. That is on the projectile. Right? In the projectiles, we have seen some of the important definitions. What are those definitions? So first of all, we have seen just a minute. Projectile we have seen, correct? So important terms. What are the important terms that we have seen? So first one is velocity. Okay. First one is velocity we have seen. Velocity. Next, second one, angle of projection. Second one is angle of projection. Projection we have seen. Then third one is trajectory we have seen. Then fourth one is horizontal range. Horizontal range. Then again, you have seen time of flight. Right? Just you have seen here only definitions. We have not go through the any formula. Correct? So when you throw any object on the ground, think that this is along x-axis, and this is along the y-axis. Then when you throw any ball or any object in the projectile motion, so it will go like this and it will come back to origin. Okay, this is a point. Then what is called as angle of projection? Angle of projection. So this is the angle of projection. Okay, this is. Then is it correct, all of you? Yes. Okay. Then what is this one? This is called as angle of projection alpha. Then this is moving with an velocity. How much is the velocity? That is u. That is its velocity. Next, velocity of the projection. Then angle of projection. Then trajectory. What is trajectory? The shape is called path. Path is called as trajectory. Okay. Then the total horizontal distance is called as what? This is called as range. It is called as range, horizontal range. Then time of flight, total time taken to complete entire journey is called as time of flight. Okay, there are different points, cases. There are total 4 cases. Among that, first and second cases are very important for the examination point of view. Okay, so first one is motion of a body projected horizontally. Yesterday you have taken this one, correct? Na? All of you? Start kiya tha na?
Yes.
So motion of a body projected horizontally. Have you written this point? Horizontally. लिखा था ना? हाँ, okay. Okay. All of you written this. Written. हाँ, लिखेंगे. Okay. Horizontally मतलब you are not starting from this point. Okay. So think that the aeroplane is moving on the air. Okay. It is moving like this. Okay. There is a target point on the ground. Okay. So he has to attack this target point. So aeroplane is moving like this. Okay, at this point when it comes, no, he will throw a bomb or anything. Okay, that will come and attack to this target point. Okay, so it means the aeroplane is moving in the horizontal direction. Okay, but the particle, whatever he has thrown, this particle will go in a trajectory, projectile motion. Okay, this is called as motion of a body projected horizontally. Okay, the initial velocity is having 0 initial velocity. Okay, and it will go under the gravity and it will occupy the path. Which type of path is it? It is projectile path. Okay, so that we will study. Okay, draw this diagram, all of you. All of you draw this diagram. Okay, right in the point. Consider a particle. Consider a particle through horizontally horizontally from a point A, point A with a velocity velocity u meter per second, u meter per second, as shown in figure, as shown in figure. At any point the particle is subjected to, at any point the particle is subjected to first one, horizontal motion with a constant velocity, Is it visible? No, everyone? Whatever I am writing on this screen. Okay. Horizontal motion with a constant velocity, u meter per second, and the vertical motion. Second one is vertical motion with initial velocity, zero and moving with acceleration moving with acceleration. What is moving with acceleration in coming towards the ground? Acceleration कितना रहता है? It is under gravity only. Moving with acceleration due to gravity. Due to gravity, G. Due to gravity, G. Let H be the height of A from the ground, from the ground, considering vertical motion. Yes. All of you concentrate. So we have taken a case that the body is projected horizontally. Okay. So aeroplane is moving on the air and it is projected a body, and this body is purely in a horizontal motion. Okay. And the path is trajectory. It is under projectile only. Okay. So the aeroplane is moving with the velocity u, correct? And it has dropped a body, and that body is having velocity u meter per second. Okay, that is in horizontal motion, horizontal direction, but it is not giving any initial velocity in the vertical direction. Initial velocity in the vertical direction is 0. Okay, and it is subjected to a gravity, correct? What is the acceleration due to gravity? G. Okay, so G, and I want vertical final velocity at any point t. I want its velocity. So G into t at any point t. If I take this is a point t, the horizontal velocity is u, correct? And vertical velocity, initial vertical velocity कितना था? 0 था. Okay, at any point t, it is under gravity, and that gravity is multiplied by t. So that will become meter per second. Okay, that is vertical. That is gt. At any point t, the particle subjected to vertical velocity gt. Okay, so h is the height of the body from which it is dropped. I want to find out this height. You know vertical equation of motion. I want to find out the s value क्या है? ut plus half at square. So we know that from the vertical motion, what is that? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Is it correct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this case, what is s? S is the h value. H.
Yes.
What is initial velocity? Initially it is a 0. Into t is 0 plus half. It is subjected to acceleration, that is value is
gt.
g, and at any time is t square.
Okay.
So if you want to find out the h value, that is g d half gt square, or gt square by 2, half gt square of gt square. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Yes, this is important.
Yes,
point.
sir.
Okay, so he will give horizontally. A bomb is dropped horizontally, and at what height it has to be dropped. Okay, what you should know? G is known, time of attacking is known, and you have to calculate height.
Sir.
नहीं, this is purely subject horizontal velocity दिया है उन्होंने. Resolution will come. That part is secondary part. Okay. हाँ.
सर यही इक्वेशन क्यों कंसीडर किया?
एक मिनट.
यस का.
देखो, if the particle is projected like this, okay, if the particle is projected like this, and this is having velocity is u, okay, iska vertical component, it is angle is alpha, okay, this is u sin alpha and this is u cos alpha. This will come. This is second case. Okay, now the object is dropped from this point. Okay, the object is purely having horizontal velocity u, and vertically initially it is 0. At any point time t, इधर आने के बाद इधर कितना रहता है? horizontal velocity same रहता, but vertical velocity क्या रहता? That is g into t रहता. Okay, my intention is I have to determine the height, total height find करने का. Okay, so that's why I have taken this equation. Whatever you are asking, that u sin alpha u cos alpha will come in second case. Okay. Yes, you are having doubt. What is that doubt? Tell me. The equation Q is here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, your friend has also asked. So why you are not taking psi u sin alpha u cos alpha? See, the object is dropped from this point. Okay, aeroplane was going like this. Correct? He has dropped a body that is subjected to only initial velocity in the horizontal direction. Okay, so this is horizontal direction, and in the vertical direction it is having 0. Okay, at any point time t, initially is horizontal velocity is u and it is vertical velocity is gt, because g का ये क्या है, unit मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम t, it is second, मल्टीप्लाई क्या तो क्या मिलता है आपको, g into t is equal to velocity. Okay, velocity in downward direction मिलता है. अभी मेरा intention क्या है, I have to determine the height, at what height I have to drop a bomb. Okay, so height determine करना है तो what are the formula equation of motion you are having? V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, then v square minus u square is equal to 2as. देखो इधर फाइनल वेलोसिटी पता है क्या हमको? I don't know, so that's why I cannot use this formula. इधर s वैल्यू है क्या? नहीं, so this cannot be used. So s is there only in this equation. That's why I have used this equation only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. मेरा intention क्या था? I have to determine the height. That's why I have taken this equation. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Theta. So where is theta? Theta is not there, na? In this case there is a theta. उसी केस में use कर सकते हैं. Okay. But here we cannot use theta. R into theta. Understood, everyone? Yes. Right on this point. This is important for the point problem solving. So in this problem, h is unknown. Okay, h determined कर दिया. Then what is unknown here? Yes, range is unknown. Okay, how to determine the range? How to determine the range? Range मतलब क्या है? Distance. How will you calculate distance? H is distance. That is vertical height हो गया. I want horizontal height. Initial minus final. कैसे? थीटा इज थीटा नहीं ना मतलब नहीं वो नहीं. So what is known quantity? U is known, correct, and GT is known, but GT से हमको यूज नहीं होता. But range is nothing but distance. Okay, so what is your velocity? Distance divided by time, correct. I want distance. Distance is equal to V into T. So range, distance is nothing but range. Initial velocity कितना है? U. Initial horizontal velocity. I want horizontal range. Horizontal velocity
ux ux
T. Is it correct? Yes. Right on. Next point. This equation gives time of flight. This from this equation. This equation gives time of flight. Time of flight. Right. During this period, the particle moves horizontally with uniform velocity. What is that velocity? How much? Uniform velocity, u meter per second. U meter per second. Therefore, range is equal to range is equal to u into t. U into t. Okay. This is the formula for the horizontal range. For the horizontal range. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have studied here. Height is known. If at all, height is known. Okay. What I am saying, listen to me. Yes, height is known, and you know initial velocity. Can at what point the bomb is attacked? You can calculate from this equation. Time. Okay. You know time, you know height, you know g, and you know initial velocity. What is the horizontal range? कितना horizontal distance को मैंने target करने का वो भी find out कर सकते हैं. So from these two equations we will solve one problem. हाँ. नहीं वो क्यों चाहिए? तो दोनों को रेजोल्यूशन नहीं करते ना. The object is dropping from this height and it is going and it is attacking here. हमको just क्या चाहिए? कितना टाइम में अटैक होते हैं and what is the horizontal distance? Okay, वो अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है, मैंने फ्लाइट में जा रहे हैं कि कितना horizontal distance को बॉम्ब ड्रॉप करने का वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए we'll take one problem we will complete. हाँ वो भी फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Yes, take it on one problem. Yes, a pilot flying his bomber at a height of 2000 meter with a uniform horizontal velocity horizontal velocity of 600 kmph. 600 kmph. What is kmph?
Kilometer per hour.
Kilometer per hour. Okay. Wants to strike a target to stop. At what distance? At what distance? From the target? He should release the bomb. He should release the bomb. Okay, this is the question. So you have to draw the diagram. Okay, he has not given. Just by the given information, it is understood that it is subjected to purely horizontal. See, a pilot flying with his bomber at a height is given 2000 meter with uniform horizontal velocity. See, by this definition, okay, by this sentence, it is understood that it is case A. Okay, uniform horizontal velocity is given, correct? It means at a height, this is a height. Okay, he is bombed. Okay, the target is this. Okay, this one. So this is the point A and this is a point B. How much is the uniform velocity? Velocity is given U. U is equal to, he has given 600 kmph. 600 kmph. Then again he has given vertical height. What is this height? It is 2000. It is 2000 is given meter. Okay, that is h is given. What he is asking? At what distance from the target he should release the bomb? Okay, matlab, pilot is going on the plane. Okay, he is going. He has seen the target. Okay, कितना distance horizontal distance में he has to release the bomb. हाँ देखो, so इधर है, so एरोप्लेन इधर आने के बाद ड्रॉप करने का, इधर आने के बाद, is it correct? मैंने देखो मैंने क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको, so aeroplane will come here and he will drop a bomb, is it correct? इधर ड्रॉप किया तो he will go and he will attack. No, he has to drop before coming to this point, at this point only, because the bomb is having some initial velocity and it will go and it will attack to this point. Okay, so that is what he is asking. What distance the target should be release the bomb? He is asking this distance. Range he is asking. What is the range he is asking? Okay, this one is asking. Okay, so first write down. H is given and U is given. Initial velocity U is equal to 600 kmph. How to convert this into meter per second? How to convert this? 1000 upon 16 to 60. I have given one shortcut. What is that?
5 by 18.
Yes, very good. 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Okay. Whenever you want to convert, that is 600 kmph to meter per second. 5 by 18 divided by 5 by 18. So कुछ लोगों का डाउट है. So 5 by 18 कैसे आ गया? Yes, how it has come? So 1 kmph is equal to 1 kmph is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer मतलब कितना है? Meter? 1000 meter. Divided by per hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Correct? Okay. This is meter per second. That is this 100 get cancelled. Okay. That is 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 5 divided by 6 into 3 18. 5 by 18 meter per second. Correct? So can you tell me what is the value of U?
33.33.
No, wrong. 166.67. Is it correct? Yes, all of you calculate.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, you can round off 166.67. Then, now you have to tell me initial velocity in vertical direction. Vertical direction. Yes, can you tell me? Initial velocity in vertical direction. Yes, how much it is? Yes. How much it is?
0.
Yes, very good. It is 0. Okay, whatever he has given, this is only in the horizontal direction. U is equal to in the horizontal direction. But the bomb is in the vertical direction. Initially, it is having 0. Okay. Then it is subjected to under acceleration due to gravity. What is the and? And G is equal to, what is G? 9.81 meter per second square. Considering vertical motion, considering vertical motion, what is H is equal to? H is equal to half GT square. Is it correct, all of you? Yes. Substitute the values. So H is equal to half G is equal to 9.81 into T square. I want to find out the T only. Correct? So H is given. How much is H? 2000 meter is already given. Into 9.81 into T square divided by 2. So calculate the value of T. 20.19. Yes, correct. 20.19 seconds. So the bomb will come and attack at a target after 20.19 seconds. Okay. Then I want to find out the range. How to find out the range? U into T. Okay. During this period, horizontal distance traveled by bomb that is equal to, what is the formula? U into T. Is it correct, all of you? Horizontal velocity into time. So horizontal velocity is given, that is 166.67 into, what is the time you have calculated? It is 20.19 seconds. So you will get 3365.06 meters. Yes, this is the answer is required. Therefore, the bomb should be released. Bomb should be released at 3365.06 meter, 06 or something, okay, 6 meter from the target. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, all of you. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you written? All of you, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I go for next problem? I will give next problem to you only. You have to calculate. Okay. Okay, right up. I will give one problem now only. You have to calculate and tell me the answer. Question. आपको समझ में आ गया? ओके. समझ में आया कि नहीं? समझ में नहीं आया तो मुझे पूछने का है. हाँ, ऐसे चुपचाप नहीं बैठने का. हाँ, ऑफलाइन क्लास में मैं नहीं छोड़ता था. Okay. Until you get understand, I will not allow you to go out of the class. मैं भी नहीं जाते. Okay. Okay, written, all of you written. Question. A person wants to jump. A person wants to jump over a ditch. As shown in figure. Find the minimum velocity. Minimum velocity with which he should jump. He should jump. So think that you are jumping. Okay, this is a ditch. Okay, this is ground. This is ground. Okay, this is ground. You have to jump from this point to this point. If you run, okay. So what is the minimum velocity that you should jump? Okay, he has given from here to here you have to come. Is it projectile? Okay, then he has given horizontal and vertical distance. This distance is given. From this point to this point is given, and from this point to this point is given. So this is 3 meter, and this is 2 meter. Okay, so you have to come from this point to this point. So what he has given? You given. Yes, very good. Yes, all of you. Can you tell me by looking at the figure what is given in the problem? In the problem,
Height of
definition
the
में
height of the person.
okay. Yes, by looking at the figure, you should know. So by referring figure h is equal to given. What is the h?
3 meter.
2
H is equal to 2 vertical
meter.
direction.
2 meter.
2 meter.
Range 3 meter.
Then what is this 3 meter? What is this 3 meter? Is it range?
Range.
Range.
So
Horizontal range.
Range is equal to R is equal to, that is 3 meter. 3 meter. You know range. You know H. R is known and H is known. What else you can calculate? Time
Initial
निकालने का?
velocity.
So how to find? See what is asked. What he is asking. Minimum velocity. Minimum velocity मतलब क्या है? U is required. How much is the U? Correct? You have to find out the U. What is the formula for U? U means velocity. Okay. Velocity find out करने के पहले you know R value. R is equal to what? U into T. You know R. You don't know the T. In order to find out the first, you have to find out the T value. How to find out the T value? You know H is equal to that is GT square by 2. H is known, G is known, T is unknown. First, you have to find out the T value. Then substitute the T value here, and you will get the value of U. Yes, all of you calculate. Okay. तब तक मैंने attendance ले ली. Who is Balaji Anpude? कौन है Balaji?
Roll number 8.
Rule number 8. Okay. 8. Rule number 9. 9 आप है ना? 9. 11. 11. नहीं है. Rule number 11 आपसे. 12. Rule number 12. 13, 14, 15. 15 present. 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 34, 34, 38, 38, 44, 44, 61, 62. Okay. Absent numbers 11, 12. Okay. 11, 12, 18, 19, 34 is present. Okay. 38, 44, 62. Okay. These are the absent numbers. Okay. Have you determined what is the value of time?
4.76.
Yes. What is the value of T?
0.63.
0.63. Okay. So first, how to solve this one? H is equal to GT square upon 2. So you know H is equal to 2 meter is equal to G is equal to 9.81 into T square divided by 2. So by solving this equation, you will get 0.6386 seconds. Okay. So again, we know that range is equal to U into T. Range is given 3 meter. That is equal to U. I have to determine into 0.6386 seconds.
4.76.
Okay. That is U is equal to 4.69 meter. That is nearly equal to 7. Okay. 7 meter. Okay. So in order to jump this is meter per second. See, in order to jump this one, 3 meter jump करने के लिए कितना velocity? Minimum velocity is asking. Minimum is 4.5 seconds. Maximum, if you give maximum velocity, you can jump here, you can jump here, you can jump here. Okay. Okay. In case if you give minimum velocity 4.6, then you will fall down here. So if you give still smaller, then you will fall here. Okay. Minimum velocity in order to cross this barrier is 4.69. 4.69 is correct answer. समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will give one problem as a homework. Will you solve? Okay. Okay. Right on. Next problem. So I will give one problem. Question number. Time is okay. Okay. Right on. A pressure tank. A pressure tank. Pressure or pressure. What is it? Okay. A pressure tank issues water. Issues water at a with a horizontal velocity u as shown in figure for what range of values of u water will enter the opening BC. BC means looking at the diagram. Okay, he has given diagram. There is a tank. Okay, there is a tank, and for this tank there is a ground level. There is again there is a gate. Okay, this is a gate. This is a gate. Okay, the tank is having an opening here. Okay, this is opening. The water should falling. Okay, this is a point A of the opening of the tank, and this is a BC is the gate. This is the gate, and he has given the height. This is having horizontal velocity u. Okay, and the water particle will come and in order to pass this one, it has to come. Correct? This is one and this is another one. Okay, this is one point and this is another point. Then he has given height of from this bottom of the tank to B. This height is given, and the height from this point to this point is given. This is 1 meter. This is 1.5 meter. Okay, and he has also given the horizontal distance from the tank to the gate. He has given this one also. This is 3 meter. Okay, this tank is having water full. It is filled with water. Okay, so now what he is asking, a pressure tank issues a water at A, and horizontal velocity is u. Okay, he has given u as shown in the figure. For what range the value of u of water will enter the BC? अभी देखो, आपको water a BC gate में अंदर आना है तो minimum velocity you have to give here. Okay, maximum is you have to give at C. इसके पहले इसके कम दिया है तो it will not enter into the BC. Correct? If you provide more than the maximum value, it will not enter into the BC. It will strike over here. मुझे ऐसे range चाहिए. Range means u value, minimum u value and maximum u value. Okay, so you know range. What is the range formula? U into T. Means first you have to find out T1. What is the T1 formula? H is equal to GT1 square. H1 is equal to GT1 square by 2. Is it correct, all of you?
Yes.
H1. What is H1 formula? H1 is how much? From this figure. For the B, up to B, height is how much? 1. So 1 meter is equal to G is known. T1 you have to calculate. You have to, no, minus there. A hint there. So T1. So T1. Then you have to find out U1. Then T2. Then U2. मुझे क्या वो चाहिए minimum to maximum. That range I want. नहीं नहीं 1.5 नहीं लेने का. You think. हाँ हाँ देखो दिस इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली इधर 1 मीटर है इधर भी 1 मीटर नहीं सेंटर में करने के लिए दिस इज डिफरेंट हाइट दिस इज डिफरेंट हाइट T1 height is different T2 height is different हाँ उसके बीच में जो एरिया वो यस इसके बीच में जो आंसर रहता है वेलोसिटी in that velocity the water is passing yes any doubt
सर बी की टोटल हाइट 1 मीटर है क्या हाफ
ना बी की हाइट बी की टोटल नहीं हुआ फ्रॉम दिस साइड ओके इट इज फ्रॉम द पार्टिकल वाटर पार्टिकल कहां से प्रोजेक्ट हो रहे इधर से बी तक ओके टोटल नहीं चाहिए हमको गेट इधर देखो गेट का हाइट इतना है क्या और इधर इधर तक है वो हमको नहीं चाहिए हमको कहां तक चाहिए कहां से कहां तक वाटर पार्टिकल टू बी he has given 1 meter next water particle to C you have to take समझ में आ गया
यस
okay will you solve this one okay
Yes.
so I will check the answer in the next class okay so this is the case 1 so in the next class we will study case 2 that is from the ground to when it is projected fully okay that we'll see in the next class okay we'll stop now we'll continue in the next class okay thank you all so we'll stop now we'll continue in the next class